So why don't you explain to them what homeschooling while working from home can look like?
Yeah. So there are lots of ways. I have done a number of things over the years. Some have been more time and labor intensive than others, which is why I now encourage women to do the kind of work, I don't want to say work, have the kind of business that is more automated than something that requires you to work all the time. And so, of all the things I've tried, I've had an Etsy shop that was labor intensive. I've, made products, and anytime you get into that kind of business, you're spending a lot of time working. So my favorite way to help moms now is just promoting other people's products. I created a course that helps you share My Homeschool Village. You're already using it. You already love it. That was a great comment that she just left about Tony. That kind of comment is what you can tell other people that helps them understand how My Homeschool Village can help them. You can share you have an affiliate link. If you belong to My Homeschool Village, you have an affiliate link, which means that anytime you tell your friends or Facebook or anywhere about My Homeschool Village and they hop over there and they join, you get 40% of their membership. Again, you're already using it. You're already loving it. All you're doing is just telling social media, telling your friends about it. And the course that I created over in the classroom there shows you where to get your affiliate link. It shows you how to use Rebecca's videos so that you don't even have to create your own videos. And this is huge. You could do this of 10, 15, 20 minutes a day, would you say?
Oh,
It
easy.
is to hop over to her Facebook page, find a video about My Homeschool Village, you share it to your page, copy your affiliate link, add it to the video, and just say, come check us out. And when they click your link, if they choose to join, you get a commission. And you can stack those. You can get, think about 40% commission on a membership there. It could be substantial. That's just one way. And that's an example of sharing affiliate links to other people's products. I've done this for years, and a lot of affiliates, they only give you a tiny, tiny, tiny percent. So 40% is huge. Amazon gives you like 2 or 3% if you share their products. So it's worth your time to do it on something with a larger. That's one thing. I sell other people's digital products. I had found this business model about a year and a half ago. I knew digital products are huge. We all love and consume digital products. And so I ran across a business where I can just literally plug and play and sell other people's digital products. They gave me a website. They gave me a sales funnel, sales system. So again, I'm a busy mom. I've still got 5 at home. My system is running for me on autopilot. That's a sales system that they created. I did not have to create anything. So I love these business models for busy moms. We're too busy to go, but if you go out here and try to build something like that, ask me and Rebecca. We've done it. We know it's so much work. Like the headache, the tech, it's so much work, so much learning, and lots of moving parts. Take it from us. Promote products that are already out there working, and it's just easy. It's plug and play. So simple.
Yeah.